Hey y'all, hang on. Hold on a second. These lights do not allow me any grace when it comes okay. I love these pickles. This one's about empty. I know. I put some stuff in my hair and it's really not it's not acting right. Anyway, I bought this beautiful purple, red ochre, whatever, at the Mennonites yesterday. Now let me show you what I've got going on here. This is an experimental situation. I do not know how it's going to go. So I washed this. I'm just going to trim off the ends. They're kind of woody. Okay. I may not be able to do that one. Okay. We are going to just put these down in this pickle liquid. Hopefully, in a few days, we will have something super tasty. Hang on a sec, buddy. What you got going on? Don't bring that in here. No, no, no. No. I'm on a video right now, okay?
Okay.
Behave yourself.
6 o'clock.
It's not 6 o'clock yet.
Is it almost?
We're getting closer. Okay. So now we're just going to open this up. I've still got some pickles in there.
Good.
We're just going to put these.
Mom, look good in here.
Thanks, honey.
Welcome.
It's been working a little bit.
Wait, this one?
Hey, don't mess with that. That's mine.
That's
It's just a book.
What's a book?
We're just going to shove them down in here like this. Hang on a second.
What are you doing?
I'm making some pickled okra.
Ew, that's good.
I got these little cayenne
Oh,
peppers.
no, those are hot.
I'm going to cut the end off
Not
that.
spicy.
I'm going to shove
Mom,
a couple of those in there.
those are spicy.
I know it.
You love spicy?
I love spicy.
You love those
Okay, now, hold on a second. Hold on.
You're so spicy.
I love spicy.
They're so spicy.
I love them.
My mom,
Mm-hmm.
can you get something over there? Of that red thing.
What?
But you have to go back in there and see.
What, you want some Jell-O?
Mm-hmm.
Get it, it's right there.
No, it's not open.
Well, open it. Crazy boy. So we're going to steal some juice
This one.
out of this one. Because it's okay. Now we're going to put these down here like this.
Come on.
We're going to put the lid back on like this.
Come on, get over there.
Uh-oh. You're a little bit too much. Hold on, hold on. Oh, yeah.
Get over there for my mom.
Give me just a second. Yay, I knew I bought some of that. Where was that?
It was in the bag with
Now I've got it all the way to the top.
aggravation.
See? Alright. Now we're going to... Ooh, look how pretty this side is. Look at that. We're going to leave these in there like that for a few days, and we'll do a test and see if they're any good. Hopefully they will be. And you want a pickle?
No.
You don't want a pickle?
No.
Okay.
I'm gonna do it.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye, bye.